How to turn on show subscribers count on Snapchat public profile. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do to show your subscribers count is by going to Snapchat. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner, click on your avatar, and this is my profile. Scroll down and click on my public profile. Now after you click on it, it will take you to your public profile. Now click on edit profile right here. After you click on edit profile, you will find show subscriber count. Now from here you can enable it by clicking on it easily. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.